Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking people from contacting you on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the phone app and tap on Contacts at the bottom. Then tap on the contact you would like to block. Scroll to the bottom of their contact profile and tap on Block this caller. Tap Block Contact on the pop-up. You will no longer receive calls, messages or FaceTimes from this number. You can block as many contacts as you like. If you want to unblock them, just scroll to the bottom of their contact profile and tap on Unblock this caller. You can block and unblock people as many times as you like. In order to block numbers, they have to be saved as a contact. So if you want to block a number that is not in your contacts, you will have to save them as a new contact before you can block them. If you would like to see a list of all the contacts you have blocked and edit them, you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down to Phone and tapping on it. In the phone settings, scroll to the bottom and tap on Blocked Contacts. Here you can see a list of all the contacts you have blocked. You can tap on the name to see their contact information and add new people from your contacts to the blocked list here by tapping Add New. To unblock people, tap on Edit, Minus and then Unblock. Tap Done when you are finished unblocking. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.